Hey guys, I'm Raina.
And I'm Kyle, and we're the owners of Strohmaier Construction.
We are a design build firm offering residential construction and interior design, but this time around we get to be the client.
We're going to take you through the whole process of building our own home, plus other projects we're working on right now. So we're here on our lot that we're going to be building our family home. This is the setup right here. You can kind of see the property lines. There's a long driveway that goes in, and then our house we tuck back kind of in the trees back there.
Yep.
And come show you
On
around.
the bluff?
Yep. Okay, so here's the property line. The corner keeps going straight with those trees. And then right here on this corner, it's a flag lot. It'll go all the way out and over the bluff. So we own over the bluff as well.
It's a half-acre total, but about half of it does go over the bluff.
So right here, you see these stakes. This is our setup for our garage. So you'll drive in this driveway here, and you have to turn in like this to go into the garage over here. And this creates kind of a courtyard setup. And then the rest of our front door's over there, so this, and it kind of U-shapes out, creates kind of a private setup here.
It was important for us to have our own master wing on one side, separate from our kids. Currently in our house, our kids are right next to us, and although we love them, they're very noisy. So we have separated that out, and we're separated by our great room area.
Yeah, so we have our great room, kitchen, the kids on this wing, and then we have like this little hallway gasket, which a little hallway goes in here, and then our master is on that section. So kind of a little separate.
The best view is really these trees on this side. We have a cabin, our family does, up on Lake Roosevelt, and we really appreciate trees and woods, although Kyle is not willing to live out of town. So that was kind of our compromise here, is we do have some trees, we have a view, and
it's like the woods the kids can go down and play.
Yes.
And we own that, so that, and it's unbuildable, so they can't come in and like build more homes there.
Yes, we have 4 acres around us of green space, so it'll stay green. So we have a nice view of High Drive, obviously. A little bit of a view of Qualchin Golf Course, which is kind of fun. Kyle's parents actually have a house that we built on Qualchin, so we can almost see them from here. And then we have just complete woods over here, which is just really nice for us. So. And our great room is literally right in this space. So this is our view as you look out. And our kitchen sink would probably be right about here.
It's right here.
Yep. So I always like to come here and wash dishes, because I know this is what my view is going to be. Yeah.
So you're going to do the dishes?
No, but I pretend. We are anticipating a ton of dirt and fill because we are doing a 4-foot crawl.
Yeah, so all this, yeah, exactly. We're doing a 0 entry, so there's no step out. So we actually got to bring the grade down pretty far there to have it all the way flat. And then with all that fill, we're hoping to push over the edge and not have to bring extra material in. You want to talk about down there, the little...
Yeah, our fantasy.
Okay, come check this out over here. And so this area right here, what we're thinking about doing is our decks over here, create some steps down to this area, and down in that area, create a deck, maybe put a fire pit down there, and just kind of tucked into the woods. So that's down the road. I don't think we'll do it right away, but.
I imagine a deck that's built out where our kids can camp and have just a little private space and camp in their backyard and it feel a little special and cozy for them, so. If you've been following our Instagram account for a while, you know that Kyle is really big into basketball, and particularly Hoop Fest. That's actually where we met, how long ago? 15 years ago?
Was it 15?
So it's a really big part of our lives, and so we knew that we had to have a basketball hoop for our family, our kids, for us. It's just something fun, I think, for our family to do. And when you're in an HOA and a development, they're pretty particular about how...
Yeah, you can't have it in the cul-de-sac. It has to be on your property.
How visible it is, yep. So our plan is to put one right in here. We've had a landscape designer, Chris with Blend, hook us up with an awesome plan. And as of now, our basketball hoop will go into those trees. And that way our son can grow up and play basketball at Gonzaga.
Just the son.
Oh, well, the girls too.
Yeah.
The girls too. Agreed. I think I just had a giant bug on me. You didn't see it?
No.
I felt it. And excavation, as you can see, will begin next week. We have
No, tomorrow.
Oh God, they just moved it up. That's
So
right.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow digging begins. So we'll really get to see if there is rock under here and how far our dirt
There's
will
gonna
take
be
us.
rock, but I think we got like 4 or 5 feet before we'll hit that. So that's the hopes.
Yes. Oh, there's my child. There you go.
There's our
Hi guys.
where's 1 kid and 2 of the neighbors.
So this is why we're staying in this neighborhood.
What's up, Lando? What are you guys doing?
So this one is our oldest. This is Presley. She's 8.
This is my friend.
These are our neighbor boys, Ethan and Lando. Yes, I can.
This is my neighborhood.
I know, it's so cool. Spider-Man.
You know we're gonna start digging tomorrow?
We are?
Right here?
Look at it.
Building the house.
You didn't even see that?
You wanna look at it? Okay, we can't get in it, but you can look at it. Yeah, it's just kind of rocky.
We weren't
Yeah.
allowed to get on it.
Pretty cool, huh?
Remember?
All right, let's jump down, guys. Ugh.
Big tires. This one's way bigger than your house is small.
So this is our youngest.
Yes, this is Cash. Cash, how old are you? What are we doing here? Taking a picture, huh? I thought we were gonna build a house.